How to find random live on videos on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to find random live on videos on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is just click on Instagram right here. Then after that you will see your Instagram. So what you need to do is to just swipe from left to right in order to open our camera. After you've opened that, you can just scroll on this thing right here until you reach live and click on live right here. Don't worry because no one will see you. And then after you're live, right here. And then after that, you can just discard this video right here by clicking on discard media and click on discard. The next thing you need to do is head over to your inbox and then head over to your chat with that friend. And then after that, you can see that you have sent your live video. So click on this watch more right here. And as you can see, live video has ended and you can now see some random live videos that you can join on Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find random live on videos on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.